If you feel like everyone has been staring at you lately, congratulations. Yes, you heard that right. There's a powerful reason behind all the attention you've been getting. Whether it's the looks, the curiosity, or the inexplicable sense that eyes are following you, it's not just in your head. What you're experiencing is something deeper, something spiritual. And you must become aware of the real factor at play here. You are not just anyone. You are one of the chosen ones. Chosen ones carry within them a unique spiritual energy that sets them apart. This energy often manifests subtly at first, but its impact on others is undeniable. One of the most striking features of this spiritual power is the magnetic aura surrounding the chosen. This aura isn't just a mystical concept, it's an energetic signature that draws people in, often without them even understanding why. It captivates, it intrigues, and it creates a powerful presence that can't be ignored. This magnetic aura acts like a beacon, attracting attention and curiosity. Strangers may be compelled to look your way or seek your company without even knowing what draws them in. That's because the energy field around a chosen one emits high vibrations, producing a comforting and healing atmosphere. People may feel a sense of calm, peace, or even emotional relief just by being near you. That's the healing power of the chosen. These individuals exude a presence that brings comfort to the weary and hope to the hopeless. The energy they emit can penetrate emotional layers, offering healing and transformation to those who need it most. Many people walk through life carrying silent burdens, but when they come across a chosen one, something in them begins to shift. This healing presence is not always loud or dramatic. In fact, it's often the quiet, nurturing kind, an unspoken warmth that calms the chaos inside others. Another hidden ability of the chosen ones is their intuitive perception. This goes far beyond common empathy. They can tune into the emotions, thoughts, and even the energetic imprints of those around them. They don't need you to speak your truth, they can feel it. They pick up on subtle emotional shifts, hidden pain, or spiritual imbalances without needing any explanation. It's this psychic intuition that enables them to offer advice or guidance that feels divinely timed, because in many ways, it is. Let's go deeper into what really makes the chosen ones stand out. One of their lesser discussed but incredibly powerful gifts is their ability to influence the energetic atmosphere. Their presence doesn't just fill a room, it transforms it. Whether you've noticed it or not, people may act differently when you enter a space. Tension eases. Conversations become lighter. Peace quietly settles in. This is not coincidental. It's spiritual influence in motion. Their energy works as a harmonizer. In environments full of stress or negativity, they act as a calming force that promotes unity and emotional balance. It's not about being perfect. It's about carrying an internal alignment that others can feel. People around the chosen may feel more open, more honest, and more connected to themselves and others simply because the energetic field has shifted. This ability to uplift and transform isn't limited to one-on-one interactions. Chosen ones often serve as energetic catalysts within larger groups or communities. Their presence inspires collaboration, compassion, and forward movement. They may not always be the loudest voice in the room, but their influence runs deep. They lead through vibration, often sparking inspiration and a sense of collective purpose in those around them. And of course, their magnetic aura is at the center of it all. This magnetic quality goes beyond physical attraction. It's an energetic pull that causes others to gravitate toward them. In social settings, they may find themselves unintentionally becoming the focal point. People feel safe around them, intrigued, comforted. This magnetic aura, though difficult to define or measure, is absolutely real, and those who carry it can sense its effect over time. People often linger around chosen ones. They want to be in their company, hear what they have to say, or simply soak in the vibe they bring. The reason? That aura carries a deep sense of peace and inner confidence. It's not loud or boastful, it's grounded. It comes from a place of knowing who they are and being connected to something much greater than themselves. This level of spiritual confidence is rare, and people are naturally drawn to it. Unlike arrogance, this inner confidence isn't about superiority, it's about authenticity. Chosen ones know themselves. They trust their journey. And that spiritual certainty becomes a lighthouse for others who are lost in the fog of their own lives. Their intuitive abilities are equally remarkable. Chosen ones can read between the lines of conversations, sensing what's left unsaid. They understand emotional undercurrents and can recognize when something is off, even when everything appears fine on the surface. This helps them offer wisdom and guidance that speaks directly to the heart of an issue, not just its symptoms. Their sensitivity to energy allows them to walk into a room and immediately sense the emotional temperature. Whether someone is masking pain, hiding fear, or simply needing support, a chosen one will pick up on it intuitively. This isn't just perception, it's spiritual insight. In addition to reading others, they have a deep inner connection with their own soul and with the spiritual realm. They rely on their inner compass to navigate life. This inner knowing, often described as divine guidance, helps them stay on course even during storms. They know how to listen to the whispers of their intuition, and this helps them make aligned, purposeful decisions. Because of these gifts, people often look at chosen ones with admiration. Their depth, empathy, and wisdom create an unspoken bond with others. Many feel seen, heard, and valued in their presence, sometimes for the first time. This emotional and spiritual connection fosters deep respect and makes them powerful guides for those seeking clarity and healing. They are often viewed as sources of truth. Their words resonate because they come from a place of deep knowing. They don't speak to impress. They speak to heal, to awaken, and to empower. It's why others often seek their counsel during difficult times. They can offer perspectives that shine light into the darkness, helping others see the way forward. Beyond their words, they lead by example. They live lives anchored in purpose, humility, and authenticity. Their actions reflect a deep commitment to growth, service, and truth. And by simply walking their path, they inspire others to do the same. Those who come into contact with chosen ones are often changed for the better. When it comes to manifesting their goals, chosen ones possess a rare ability to vividly visualize their desires. They don't merely imagine outcomes, they feel them. They connect emotionally with the vision of what they want to achieve as if it has already come true. This depth of visualization is a vital part of their manifestation mastery. They feel joy, gratitude, and excitement in advance, aligning their emotional frequency with the outcome they intend to create. Chosen ones are skilled at maintaining a high vibrational mindset. Even in the face of obstacles, they hold firm to their belief that the universe is abundant and supportive. Their unwavering faith becomes a powerful catalyst, accelerating the manifestation process. It's not just wishful thinking, it's deliberate alignment with universal energy. They trust that what is meant for them will come, and they take inspired actions from a place of inner knowing. However, it's important to note that manifestation mastery for the chosen ones is never about selfish gain. Unlike those who seek material success out of ego or greed, chosen ones align their intentions with their spiritual mission. They focus on outcomes that serve the greater good. Their manifestations are often rooted in love, healing, service, and transformation, not just for themselves, but for others as well. This natural ability to manifest with integrity and intention often draws even more attention. People are inspired by how effortlessly they seem to attract blessings, opportunities, and breakthroughs. It's not luck, it's alignment. This aura of success and calm confidence creates a magnetic pull around them, making others naturally curious and drawn to their presence. Another powerful trait that sets chosen ones apart is their healing presence. It's not about being a doctor or therapist. It's about the energy they emit. Their very presence creates a space of peace, comfort, and safety. People often feel lighter, calmer, and more centered after spending time with them, even if no words are exchanged. Their healing ability operates at a soul level, reaching beyond physical symptoms and touching emotional and spiritual wounds. Chosen ones carry this healing vibration naturally. They don't try to fix people. They simply are, and that being allows others to feel seen and supported. Their energy creates a nurturing atmosphere where deep healing can begin. Whether someone is dealing with grief, anxiety, confusion, or heartbreak, the chosen one's presence offers relief and inner peace. Many times, they serve as channels for divine energy. Love, light, and comfort flow through them with grace. They may not always be aware of it, but the people around them can feel the shift. Their presence can spark emotional release, bring clarity to someone in crisis, or even guide others to spiritual awakening. This divine flow isn't something they boast about. It simply flows through them because of their connection to higher consciousness. At the heart of the chosen one's journey is their role as a spiritual leader, not in the traditional sense of holding titles or authority, but in the way they live their truth. They lead by example, showing others what it means to walk a path of compassion, humility, and deep integrity. They don't command attention through dominance. Instead, they attract it through authenticity. Their leadership is felt, not enforced. It's rooted in purpose, a soul-deep calling to uplift humanity and be a vessel for healing, wisdom, and growth. Every choice they make is aligned with this mission. Whether they're offering guidance, holding space for someone's pain, or simply showing kindness in everyday interactions, their impact runs deep. The presence of a chosen one is a blessing, and their journey is a reminder that we all have the potential to awaken to our divine path. Whether you feel you are a chosen one or are simply drawn to their energy, remember that their story reflects what is possible when we align with love, truth, and higher purpose. If this message resonated with you, thank you for staying till the end. If you'd like to explore more spiritual insights and guidance, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Your presence and support mean the world. Let us know your thoughts or experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care and stay aligned with your higher self.